In recent videos we have seen which are the biggest companies with the highest earnings and benefits. We also discussed the highest paying jobs in the world. But there's one job that not only gives you enormous earnings but also is considered the sexiest job in the world right now. The data scientist. To understand the data scientist job, let's take a look at what in fact is data science. The term data science has appeared in various contexts over the past 30 years, but did not become an established term until recently. In early usage, it was used as a substitute for computer science in 1960. Years later, in 1996, members of the International Federation for Classification Societies met in Kobe for their biennial conference. Here, for the first time, the term data science is included in the title of the conference: Data Science, Classification and Related Methods. But many of you would ask, what does data science actually mean? Data science is an interdisciplinary field about processes and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data in various forms, either structured or unstructured, which is a continuation of some of the data analysis fields such as statistics, data mining, and predictive analytics. It is the same concept as data mining and big data. Use the most powerful hardware, the most powerful programming systems, and the most efficient algorithms to solve problems. With computer systems able to handle more data, big data is an important aspect of data science. Data science uses various techniques from many fields, including signal processing, mathematics, probability, machine learning, computer programming, statistics, data engineering, pattern matching, and data visualization, with the goal of extracting useful knowledge from the data. And who's going to apply all these techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and information science? The data scientist. Obviously, a person that does data science is called a data scientist. He or she is someone who creates programming code and combines it with statistical knowledge to create insights on business data. Data scientists solve complicated data problems using mathematics, statistics, and computer science, although very good skill in these subjects is not required. However, a data scientist is most likely to be an expert in only one or two of these disciplines, meaning that cross-disciplinary teams can be a key component of data science. Some of you might wonder how good a data scientist can be, and what's his or her impact. Well, sometimes data scientists can be crucial in the business sector. Their knowledge and skills can guarantee the company the right data and information about the market they tend to act. A good data scientist is able to apply their skills to achieve many kinds of purposes. Their skills and competencies vary wildly. Similarly, in business sector, multiple researchers and analysts state that data scientists alone are far from being sufficient in granting companies a real competitive advantage, and consider data scientists as only one of the 4 greater job families companies require to leverage big data effectively, namely data analysts, data scientists, big data developers, and big data engineers. Maybe it's the sexiest job in the world, but clearly it's not the easiest one.